Hi everyone! In this video, I will show you how to change your Facebook group from private to public. So first, you have to go to your Facebook group, and as you can see here, I have my Facebook group aesthetically fine and I have set this to private. Now, as you can see, if I scroll down here and look for settings, because I want to set my Facebook group from private to public, as you can see here, there is this message that you can no longer or you cannot set your Facebook group from private to public if you have set this to private already. So make sure that if you have created or if you want to create a group, you have set this into public. But what we're going to do now, or what I'm going to show you right now, is this tool, which I'm going to attach in the description down below. All you have to do is to download this one. You have to click that link, and then you have to go to your downloads, go to your manage extensions, and then you have to extract that zip file. That is a zip file, and all you have to do once you have extracted this file is you have to move this file to your Chrome extension. Okay, so let me extract this one first. And then let me open the file here. Next is you have to make sure that you turn on this developer mode and then move this file to your Chrome extension. Now what you're going to do is you have to go to your extensions right here and then pin this one. Okay, so once you pin this, then you should see this tool above here. That is, I think, next to the extensions. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Convert private group to public, and all you have to do is to copy your group ID. And then after that, make sure that this one is private. Okay, so you have to copy this one, then go back, paste it right here, click start to create an appeal. And all you have to do is to wait for them to respond or wait for their action to make your Facebook group private to public. All you have to do is to wait, and that's it. If you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. If you want us to create another tutorial, please do comment down below. See you again in our next video tutorials.